lkitlearner, your personal video tutor.
Creating a Java application in Notepad is very simple. In Microsoft Windows, you have the Notepad application. You can create a very simple Java program. Let's create a Hello World Java program. Java is case-sensitive language. When you write a Java program, you have to use the correct spelling. This is the basic structure to write the Java program: public class Hello World. When you write a Java program, you have to give the class name. The name should be one word. That is why we use Hello World as a single name without using space. In the next line, you have to write public static void main. The main method has an argument string args. Args is an array. The main method in the program can use to give the instructions to run commands. In this Hello World application, we want to display a Hello World message. Then we use the command system.out.println. When we use the closed curly bracket to end the main method boundary and another closed curly bracket to end the class boundary. You have to use the same Java class name to save the file. Use Java extension to save the file. You have to make sure to change the file type to all files. Then go to the DOS terminal. Set the Java path to the existing path. The description is given below to write the Java path. Go to the Java project's working directory from the terminal. Now ready to compile the Java source code. Use javac Java compiler to compile the Hello World source code. If there are no errors in the Java source file, then the Java compiler builds the Java class file or the bytecode. To run the Java bytecode, you can type Java Hello World. Then the terminal displays the Hello World message.